The SCPI, also known as Standard Commands for Programmable Instruments. It defines the syntax, command structure, and data format. By SCPI, the instruments can realize automated operation. The Micsig Tablet Oscilloscope 3004 supports SCPI function. First, go to NI website to download and install NI Visa software. Start the oscilloscope. Connect the scope and computer with a Type-C USB cable. Then we open PyCharm. Enter the sample code to run. We see the PyVisa module is missing. Go to Settings Search to install the module and run again. Enter PyVisa and search, then install. After installed, run the code again. We can see the oscilloscope follows the instructions simultaneously, and we can get the amplitude results very easily. Let's look at the sample code. Oscilloscope trigger mode is set on auto. Channel 1 is trigger source, attenuation ratio at 1x, vertical scale at 50 MV, waveform is at the center of the screen, trigger level is 100 MV, time base is 1 millisecond. As we can see, these steps supposed to be set one by one, but SCPI can do it in one click, so we can conduct automatic measurements according to our actual needs. Let's try again. Change the channel attenuation to 10x. Vertical scale to 1V. Move the waveform down by 1 division. Trigger level set to 1.5V. Time base at 2 milliseconds. Open RMS. Output RMS and run. The scope still completed operation by following the codes, and the measured data can be acquired by the computer. Help us observe the changes of oscilloscope and RMS readings. Let's add another piece of code to save the data to local. Save to the desk. Run the code. We can find it on the desktop after completed. Go to Micsig website to download 2 series files. You can find the SCPI command instruction. Write your own programs to complete your measurement requirements.